Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Sundar 1997 Enterprises Inc. presents Dark Hammer Bro stays up all night / falls asleep on the kitchen floor / grounded. And was inspired by Animate 2020.
Dark Hammer Bro, it is time for bed, so turn off your stuff and go to sleep. What? No! I'm about to kill my opponent on Fortnite. Can I please finish what I'm doing?
No, Dark Hammer Bro, you are going to bed and that's final. Now turn off your stuff and go to sleep.
Arg. Ugh. Fine. I'll turn off my stuff and go to sleep.
Great, that's what we want to hear.
You know what? I'm not going to listen to my parents. I'm going to stay up all night and kill my opponent on Fortnite. Alright, my opponent, I'm coming for you. God damn it! I missed. But don't worry, I'll get him soon.
A few moments later.
Oh, come on. Why won't he just die? Wait! I almost got him. Wait for it. Yes! Hooray! I killed my opponent on Fortnite. This is the best game I have ever played. Alright, I'm going to take a break and grab a snack, so I'll be right back.
When Dark Hammer Bro got to the kitchen, 2:45 a.m.
Wow! Those apples are delicious. I'm going to eat them right now. Wow! That was so good. Oh my gosh! I'm so tired. I think I'm going to.
The next day.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning, Dave. How was your sleep?
It was great. Now if you excuse me, I'm going to make breakfast.
All right, Dave.
When Dark Hammer Bro's dad got to the kitchen.
Huh. That's strange. Is that a man sleeping on the kitchen floor? Oh well, I'm just seeing things. What the? Dark Hammer Bro, why were you sleeping on the kitchen floor? Well, I was staying up playing Fortnite on my Xbox One, and then I went to the kitchen to grab a snack, but then I fell asleep on the kitchen floor. Oh my god! Dark Hammer Bro, I thought we told you to turn off your stuff and go to sleep, but you didn't listen to us? Now you're going to be tired for the rest of the morning.
Oh my god, Dave, what is going on here? I can hear you screaming across the room.
Well, Elizabeth, Dark Hammer Bro was staying up all night playing Fortnite. Then he went to the kitchen to grab a snack, and then he fell asleep on the kitchen floor.
Oh my god, Dark Hammer Bro, we can't believe you stayed up all night playing Fortnite, then you went to the kitchen to grab a snack, and then you fell asleep on the kitchen floor. In fact, you didn't listen to us.
That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 75 weeks. Go to your room right now. Wow.